Welcome back, guys. This is question 6.17, and the statement of this question is the average life of a certain type of small motor is 10 years with a standard deviation of 2 years. Okay, mean is given, which is 10, and the standard deviation, which is sigma, that is 2. The manufacturer places free all motors that fail while under guarantee. If she is willing to replace only 3% of the motors that fail, how long a guarantee should be offered? Okay, means this 3% is what? That is the probability, which is the probability that x, and in order to find it out, let me have here z, which is the similar one as that of x, but in the z domain, and the probability it has is 0.03 because of this 3%. So if she is willing to replace only 3% of the motors that fail, how long a guarantee should be offered? Okay, means I want to find out the guarantee, which is this z. Assume that the lifetime of a motor follows a normal distribution. Okay, we have assumed it as well here, because this is what we have been doing since our previous questions. So therefore this is what we have. Now here, in order to find it out, what do we have to do? We have to find out the z from here, and for it we have to find the inverse z transform of 0.03. okay, so this is 0.03, and let me find it in the table. So what is the, where is the value? 0.03, which will correspond with the value of z, and we will write it there. So 0.03, all of these values are 0.03s. okay, so the lowest of them is, so this is the lowest one, 0.03 minus 1.8 in the row, and in the column we have 0.08, so this is minus 1.88. okay, so therefore let me write here the value of z is minus 1.88. okay, so from it we have to find the value of x, and we previously have known that z is equal to x minus mu divided by sigma. From it the value of x is mu plus z multiplied by sigma. Let me write the value of mu, that is 10, plus the value of z, which is known, minus 1.88, and multiplying with the sigma, which is 2. okay, so it would be 10 minus 1.88 multiplied by 2. okay, so 1.88 multiplied by 2, this is how much? This is 3.76. okay, subtracting it from 10 minus 10, we will get 6.24. so the answer is 6.24, and that is what, that is basically the solution of question 6.17. and as these are all in years, so therefore these are 6.24 years. okay, so that's it for today, in which we have seen the solution of question 6.17. if you have any question, you can ask me in the comment box. See you soon.